Of course, the big story is coming from the cricketing world, but somehow off late in the past few days, the common link between politics and cricket seems to be Lalit Modi. On that note, Nikhil, it's over to you.
Thanks a lot for that, Kulsum. Yes, the press conference that was held today by the BCCI Secretary Anurag Thakur, it was about announcing the team for Zimbabwe tour, but most of the questions that were directed towards the Secretary was with regards to the email that Lalit Modi had sent to the ICC in June of 2013, alleging that 2 Indian players had received kickbacks from an alleged bookie. And this is how the board secretary responded to those allegations.
इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल ने जब उनको ईमेल मिली, उन्होंने उसके बाद बीसीसीआई को इससे अवगत करवाया और इस पर इंक्वायरी आईसीसी को कंडक्ट करनी, क्योंकि उनका एंटी करप्शन यूनिट इस पर काम करता है। तीनों खिलाड़ी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। आईसीसी के नियम के अनुसार उनको इसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी करनी है और उन्होंने इंक्वायरी डेफिनेटली की हो। तो फॉलो अप इज देयर इज नथिंग इन दैट। इफ देयर कुड हैव बीन समथिंग दे कुड हैव रिपोर्टेड बैक टू अस। If there is nothing from the ICC, of course, yes, it's a clean sheet only. See, if ICC has not reported anything on that, that means it's a clean sheet.
All right, Anurag Thakur saying that it was under the purview of the ICC to take action, not the BCCI. And if the ICC hasn't taken action in 2 years, then you can imagine that they must have got the clean sheet, which is why those players are still continuing to play for the Indian team. Let me just give you a backgrounder to what that entire issue is. Remember, Lalit Modi had written a mail in 2013, which he just made public recently. Now, the ICC has confirmed receiving a letter from Lalit Modi alleging 3 top international players receiving illegal payments from an Indian businessman who also happens to be a bookie. The illegal payments, Modi alleged, were worth 20 crores each. The former IPL chairman made the allegations in June of 2013 in a letter written to the ICC CEO Dave Richardson. The ICC has said it followed the procedure and passed on the letter to its anti-corruption unit. It is not clear whether the investigations were complete and whether the said players have been cleared of the charges. Interestingly, all 3 players in question play for this same IPL team.